Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited money and coins on car parking multiplayer. It is another game that we have modded to allow us to have a modded version of the game. This way you don't have to pay to win, you don't have to pay to enjoy. All purposes of games are to entertain, are to have fun. So this allows us to basically have free reign of whatever we want within the game. So let me show you while we open this app. You have to remember this is a modded version of the game, so there is a mod menu that allows us to do this. We won't be finding this in Safari. We won't be finding this in the App Store. We will be finding this in Safari and through web browsers. So yeah, once it has opened up, you can see there's a mod menu. We can unlock all coins. There you go. You can see the coin balance just went up all the way. It's unlimited. Like it says 999, but when you spend it, it just stays there. You also unlock all cars and upgrades. I don't like to do that simply because I like to choose the upgrades of the cars, because when you unlock all upgrades, you kind of max out every single car. But without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys how we're going to do this. Now, for my Android users, you don't have to worry. If you can use a web browser basically and you have a settings app, then you can also have this version of the app. But yeah, it's very simple, very straightforward. I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do this on car parking multiplayer. And remember, the app itself is different. It's not the same. It's called Car Parking Multiplayer Mod. So without further ado, let's get started and let's download this app. So once we are in settings, we want to go to general, over to about. You want to just make sure that you're above iOS 11. In background app refresh, you want to make sure that your background app refresh is on, whether it's Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then you want to head over to battery. In battery, you want to make sure that low power mode is off, simply because when it is on, it does not seem to work properly, but when it's off, you can download the app smoothly. And last but not least, you want to go over to Safari and scroll down to advanced and JavaScript, and you want to make sure that the JavaScript is off or is on. And once we have all these, we can leave this. We can go to our web browsing app of choice, which is Safari, and we're going to type in the URL, which is globetweak.com. There it is, globetweak.com, and all the instructions for custom or for whichever modded app or whichever custom app you want will be on the website. It will teach you which one, or depending on which app you want to get, how to download said app. So yeah, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon. I did forget to mention, once we're on the website, you just search for our app. So you're gonna go car parking multiplayer mod. There it is. So all we have to do is hit install, and there you go.